Time for a daily upload of walking in the backyard with Molly. Although with Molly it's not so much walking, it's just sitting here and getting pats. Look at those pats. If the audio's not very good, I apologise, I'm just using my phone for this. Molly's been eating a lot lately, which is good. She's been doing giant poos, haven't you? Great big giant stinky poos. Who would have thought a cat that pretty would do such a big stinky poo? Good kill. You can see in the background, there's that's Maggie. That's naughty Maggie. Not so naughty really. Look at this one. This one's a beautiful girl. It's actually quite hard to believe that she's nearly 19 years old and probably only going to be here a few more months. It's really hard to believe that. She's been here for a good 15 or 16 years now. And no matter how much I feed her, just don't seem to be able to get her to get fatter. What are you doing? Ready? Oh yeah. Yeah, I could see that foot was a little bit dirty. It needed a lick. Is that no good? Didn't like that one. What about here? Is that good? Do that? No? Usually you tell me if you want a pat. I don't think you're really into it at the moment. Look at those little feet. Beep, beep, beep. Boop. Okay, that's enough.